Hey folks, Sean from Oyinki Farm, and I'm here going to be putting out some of my my rat poison. This is the baking soda with a mixture. I use some it's baby goat formula, and I think there's some like cinnamon stuff in here too. I basically just use whatever I have around, and I had a bag of baby goat formula that the rats were getting into, so I figured, hey, they like it, so I'm gonna mix it in with the baking soda. I mixed it in this doggy treat jar, mixed it all up, and now I'm gonna I have some of these plastic containers that these are little feeders. I'm gonna put it in these feeders and put it around the farm, and hopefully the rats will find it appetizing and eat it. Hey, Louis. So I'm here in my barn, and I noticed some rat activity. So I'm gonna put the baking soda mix in some of the areas that I see that it's obvious that there's rats walking around in. So obviously there's a hole there, and there's some dirt kind of dug up there near my rototiller. A little bit there. So I set up my Ratinator here. Got some feed in there. This is the repair I had to do because I had so many rats in there, they were starting to chew away at the metal. Alright, who's making all that noise? Alright. So I put my powder mix out, put it in these little containers. Put this one by the Ratinator, and put this one over by the hole that I found. And I got some along the wall. And I put this one inside the wall, so we'll see how this one does. And I can tell if something's digging at it. You'll see footprints and stuff in it. So if you have a farm, there's really no avoiding having rats, but you just got to control the numbers, control the population, because if it gets out of hand, it's crazy, and it becomes a huge problem. This is what I've done. I set up my powder mixture throughout the barn, and then I set the Ratinator up, and between the two, I'll catch some rats. Amy set some snap traps in one of the chicken coops that we're not using, and we closed the door so nothing can get to it except for the rats and maybe some of these birds that fly around in here. But normally we will catch some rats in the snap traps, but not that many. My powder mixture seems to work a lot better, and then once in a while the Ratinator, I'll catch 1, 2, and sometimes a dozen rats in the Ratinator. So I just use this for maintenance. I do my powder, and then I'll just keep this set all the time, and every once in a while I'll get a big capture like this. And so I set it on a board. That way the rats can't dig under it and steal the feed. Like I said, that's to keep it weighted down so my dog doesn't flip it over. And now it's reset, and we'll see how long it takes to catch more. Hey, thanks for watching my video, and make sure you like and subscribe to get more informative videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.